So that is the first you should draw the our base circle with the radius of r1. With the radius of r1. Later, later so we have to draw the one vertical line, vertical axis. Just choose a point O and draw the base circle. Draw the base circle. Now you have to take the x equals to jk. X equals to jk. So that is the that value is the how much? So jk value is the 20. So that means lift value. So what is the lift is there? So that lift is deciding to that. So that is our gap between the this jk. Just observe that jk. So our nose circle to the our base circle contact. So what is the gap is there between our jk value is the 20. So you should also specify the particular details. Okay, jk value. And later alpha is there, alpha. So alpha equals to 75 degrees. Alpha equals to 75 degrees. So that is the our circular arc cam occupies the angle of 75, semi angle of action, that is the 75. And R2 equals to, that is represented with QF and QK. So that is the 5 mm, only 5 mm. So just you have to draw the no circle. That no circle is the our 10 mm dia. 10 mm dia is there. No circle. Then n is also there. N. So that when n value is the 600 rpm. So when we know the n value, then simply to find out the angular velocity. So that is the 2 pi n by 60. Then we got the omega value. In this, just you will see that. So that is the what the values are there. Just to have to draw the particular diagram from the problem from the given values. Now some values are missing here. So when we find the particular values, then simply to construct the our diagram and also diagram. So now what are the values are missing here? Those are those are identified with the help of our procedure. So just you will see that. So for a symmetrical circular cam operating a flat faced follower as shown in figure, let OQ equals to OQ. OQ equals to distance between the cam center to the nose center. Cam center to the nose center. Actually, we don't know the gap. Okay, Q gap is we don't know right now. So and R equals to PE. Capital R is there. So for drawing of our circular arc, to draw a circular arc, so that is the R is there. So that R equals to PE. So we don't know the value of PE, radius of circular flank. And pi equals to angle of contact on the circular flank. Angle of contact on the circular flank. So those are the unknowns here. We know that lift of the follower. So that is the already known the value. So that is the our lift of the follower. So that lift of the follower is how much? So that is there. So that's why lift of the follower is the 20. 20 equals to OQ plus R2 minus R1. OQ plus R2 minus R1. So am I right the particular equation? So that is the OQ is there and R2 OQ plus R2. So this is the our OQ plus R2 minus R1. So what is the gap is there? Just you will observe that. So OQ, so this is the gap. OQ plus R2 is the nose. So that is the OQ plus R2 minus R1. So that is the our lift of the follower. Why? Because JK value. So in this, what is the unknown is there? OQ is unknown. So that is the OQ plus R2 is the 5 minus R1 is the 30. So that means OQ minus 25. So that OQ value is how much? OQ equals to 45. OQ value is the 45. Now OQ value is the 45. Just you will observe that. So now going to find the PQ. PQ. So that is also required. PQ is also required. So PQ means so PF minus FQ. PF minus FQ. So PF minus FQ is also written as PE minus FQ. PF is also equals to PE. So PE minus FQ. So PE means again OP plus OE minus FQ. So in this, what are the knowns are what the values are known? So that is the OP is unknown and our OE is known. OE is the our 30 minus 5. So that is the OP plus 25. So that value is the PQ means OP plus 25. So that is known. Okay, PQ is having the relation with the OP. So that is the PQ equals to OP plus 25. Now going to take the our triangle OPQ. OPQ. So from the triangle of OPQ, so PQ square equals to OP square plus OQ square minus 2 OP into OQ cos beta. 2 OP into OQ cos beta. From the cosine law, they may also write the particular equation from the triangle. So in this, what the values are known, those values are substituted. So that is the PQ is there. So that PQ means OP plus 25 square equals to OP square plus OQ square minus 2 OP into OQ cos beta. So just substituted the known values. OP square plus A plus B formula. So just expand the A plus B formula. So that is the A square plus B square plus 2AB equals to OP square plus OQ square. OQ is already there and OP is the OP is unknown. So OP is there and cos beta means 180. Okay, cos beta means 180 minus 75. 180 minus 75. So in this, one unknown is there. So that is the OP value. OP is there. So that OP is how much? So now we have arrived here. Okay, now the value has arrived. So that OP equals to 50.4 mm. 50. So then radius of circular flank. So that is the when we find the our OP. So then find out the capital R. Capital R equals to already relation is there. PE. PE means OP plus OE. So OP value is the 52.4 and OE is the 3. So that means 82.4 mm. So capital R is the 82.4 mm. Now going to find the PQ. So that PQ equals to OP plus OP plus
25. PQ equals to, already relation is there, OP plus 25. So in that, so the PQ is the 77.4 mm. PQ equals to 77.4 mm. So now find out the pi. Unknown is there, another unknown is the pi is there. Now, in order to find the angle of pi, consider the triangle of OPQ. OPQ. So we know that OQ by sin pi, OQ by sin pi equals to PQ by sin beta. PQ by sin beta. Just we will observe that. So OQ by sin pi, OQ by sin pi equals to PQ by sin beta. So that in that sin pi equals to OQ into sin beta by PQ. So just compare the triangle, okay? We compare the particular values here in this place. In our same triangle is there. So that is the OQ by sin pi equals to PQ by sin beta. In this, beta is already there, so that is the 180 minus 75. So just substitute the values in this equation. Then simply to find the pi value. So that pi is the 34.2 degrees. 34.2 degrees. So just all of you observe that. What are the unknowns are there? Those all are calculated here. So now OP gap is there. So when we know the OP gap, so then you should also you should also mark on our vertical line. P gap is there. So just you have to draw the PQ line with the length of 77.4 and the arc arc radius is already there, capital R radius. So that is the 82.4 mm radius. Just you have to draw the particular arc. And now pi angle is there, so that pi angle by the help of protractor you should also draw the pi angle. So that pi angle is the 34.2 degrees. 34.2 degrees, and the beta is already there, so that is the 180 minus 75. So just by the help of these values, you have to construct this diagram perfectly. Construct this diagram perfectly. It is very easy to construct the diagram, so no need to confuse. So that is the circular arc cam is there. So then you should retrieve the that diagram and the formulas. So those are the first one is, so it is having the base circle and nose circle, and we have the circular arc is there between the our nose circle to base circle. So just you have to identify those values, that is the capital R value and R1 and R2 values and the angles. So semi angle of action alpha and our pi. Okay, retrieve the particular data for construction of the diagram. When you have to finish the diagram, then going to find our values, that is our accelerations for our accelerations. Over the two cases. Just you will see that the first one, acceleration of the follower at the beginning of the lift. Acceleration of the follower at the beginning of the lift. So just you should okay. You should write formula at the beginning of the lift. So that is the A equals to omega square into capital R minus R1 into cos theta. Capital R minus R1 into cos theta. But they mentioned here beginning of the lift. So that is the beginning of the lift means theta value is taken to be 0. So then cos theta, okay, cos 0 means 1. So then the value is omega square R1 capital R minus R1. So in this, omega is known and R capital R already calculated and R1 is also there. So just calculate the values and see to find our value. So that 206.9 meter per second square. Meter per second square. To find the similar way, so that is the acceleration of the follower at the end of the contact. At the end of the contact. So when it is taking to be end of the contact, theta is replacing with pi. Theta is replacing with pi. So, so the formula is omega square capital R minus small r1 into cos pi, and pi value already there 34.2. Just substituted the values. So then the value has to arrive here 171.13. 171.13. That is the hour at the end of the contact. So now going to take the another case is also there. Acceleration of the follower at the beginning of the contact with the nose position, the nose. So at the nose point of view, so they may also took the values that is the A equals omega square cube cos alpha minus theta, cos alpha minus theta. So at the beginning portion is theta is replacing with pi. So alpha minus pi. So that is the minus omega square OQ cos alpha minus pi. So what the minus indicating here? So that is the retardation. That is a retardation. So just substitute the known values here. That is the omega is the 62.84 and OQ is already calculated. OQ is the 45. Okay. So just if you are okay, the OQ value is in return in terms of meters, in terms of okay, in terms of meters. Then you should get the hour okay 134.52 meter per second square. 0.52 meter per second square. And similarly to calculate the apex of the nose, at the apex of the nose. So at the apex of the nose, A equals to minus omega square q plus alpha minus theta. But alpha minus theta is taken to be 0. Alpha minus is taken to be 0. So that means omega square OQ is there. So omega is there and OQ is there. Then the value is 177.7 meter per second square. Meter per second square. So those are the accelerations and arrived at different places. At the convex flank and at the nose position. At the nose place. So those are the values have arrived. Please make a copy of the problem. Is it clear? Please respond.